Melton City Council has partnered up with Working for Victoria to improve the pathways and street signage within the City of Melton. You may see Working for Victoria staff out and about on our roads and pathways, capturing data to identify maintenance issues and improvement opportunities for Council to make our networks more accessible and safe for all users. Using cameras and telemetric recording software, we are identifying any issues that cause discomfort or discourage someone from using our pathways, such as safety concerns crossing roads and tripping hazards, which is a particular issue for mobility impaired users. All data is being checked over by the relevant departments to ensure we treat all issues in an appropriate manner and implement the best solutions. We are also reviewing all regulatory signage in our municipality to ensure they are in the correct locations, readable from an appropriate distance, and make sense to all users. If you see us out there, feel free to give us a wave or say hello.